In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Thinkific subscription. So to do this, what you're going to do is just open up your Thinkific account and then in the left menu of the dashboard, go to Account. There you want to click Account Management. Now from within Account Management, you will see under Billing the current plan you're on. So you will also see your next billing date, and what you want to do is just click Manage Subscription and then here click Cancel Plan. From there it will redirect you and it will have this form, so please share your reason for leaving. So just write whatever you want to write and then go and tick the box that says, I understand that by proceeding my content will not be deleted, but I will lose access to all premium features such as unlimited courses, custom domain and custom SSL certificates. So then click Cancel my account, and then here you need to type in all caps lock confirm and then click Proceed with cancellation. From there it will be taking you to the next page and you will see you've successfully downgraded your plan, and from there you will not be billed anymore. So that's how to cancel your Thinkific subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.